How to use Whisper Flow AI. So before anything, just a general explanation. Now this is a voice to text tool that will let you speak instead of typing in any app. So it will automatically turn your speech into clean formatted text. And if you want to get started, you can just download the app, or you could do this in your browser and get yourself the Windows app as well. But here we're in our mobile. You can go to your Play Store or App Store, search for Wispr Flow, install the app, and then just open it directly. You can create yourself an account, which is going to be a few options. You got Google, Apple, pretty much depends on you. And once you have given whatever option you want, you can get started. So here it's gonna show you how it works. So press on next. It's gonna give you a little example on how you can use this. There's going to be languages you can choose. You can add more if you'd like, but for now we're just gonna stay with this. Now if you want to learn more, we can just go ahead and tap the text. You can tap the flow bubble, and you're gonna have to allow some permissions, especially your microphone, in order to use the main feature of this tool. So we said something to our microphone and it automatically writes it for us, and then it's gonna show up over here. If you want to go ahead and confirm, then that's fine. You can confirm it if you like. You can also press and hold the flow bubble if you'd like. So doing this will allow the app to hear your voice while you hold the bubble, and once you release, it will hear what you said and type it in automatically. Meow meow. We've already finished that, and now we're going to tap outside the text box. The flow bubble will go away when you are done typing, and once that's done, we're going to have to follow up on some permissions. So make sure you do all that to really make use of the app itself. Once that's all done, you're going to have to agree to this, which is a little thing you can read if you like, but once you're done, just go ahead and press on agree. Of course, you could continue if you'd like, and if you want to use it effectively, just follow their instructions. And if you want to make use of the AI, just speak naturally and it will handle the formatting. Flow can automatically create lists, fix sentences, and even adjust tone depending on the app you are using. You can also use voice commands like a comma or a new line, or maybe you say scratch that and it will do it for you. So this will control formatting and corrections while speaking. Over time, Flow will learn your vocabulary as well through a personalized dictionary, and will let you create voice shortcuts or some sort of snippet for repeated phrases like emails or replies. The best way to use it as a beginner is for tasks like writing emails, chatting, note-taking, those kind of similar things, or prompting AI tools. So just talk normally, keep sentences clear, and let the system polish everything automatically. So generally it will gradually just get better for you, but you could always change that setup the further you go. But that is how you use this app or AI. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.